Jump rope double unders. One of my favorite jump rope tricks. Now, why would you want to learn how to do them? One, they not only look really cool, they sound really cool. Plus, they're a fantastic way to burn a lot of calories in a very short period of time. Also, once you learn how to do double unders well, it really opens up the world of jump rope tricks to you. Double unders allow you to perform all sorts of advanced jump rope moves. I've made some double under tutorials before, and in this one, I'm going to add a few more points. I really hope you enjoy it. And over the years, I've learned some techniques.